7, 8, boom, and boom, boom, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, and boom, and boom, boom, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and boom, boom, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, and 5.
In VdanceClub, we believe on quality of teaching and video settings.
Aquí en VdanceClub apostamos por la calidad de la enseñanza y la calidad del vídeo.
If you like this tutorial, you can click to see all our videos on the link below.
Si os gustó este tutorial, buscar el link en la descripción y suscribiros a nuestros cursos. Don't forget to follow the link here in the description.
Recordad echarle un vistazo al link en la descripción más abajo.